Good afternoon, my name is Greg and I just wanted to show you a little trick that I use to update my RV just by a little bit. My RV is a 1994 Fleetwood Flair motorhome. So the stickers, or I should say the decals, are quite outdated. As you can see, it's a pink color, a faded silver, a faded blue with the cracks, and then another faded silver. So rather than taking the time to having to remove all this, what I did was I just took the measurements of each one of these, and then what I did was I ordered replacement decals. So the silver for the two silver pieces, I was able to order blue to fit the blue, and I picked basically a little bit lighter color. Sometimes the colors don't match exactly, but I picked this one. And then of course the pink, I wasn't going to go back to the pink, that's way outdated, so I had picked a red. And so you can actually go to a place, it's called vinylstriping.com, and they have all the colors that you need. I was able to do the entire motorhome for about $120, which I thought was very, very reasonable. And they'll send you samples, so you can take some measurements, and if you're not sure what color you want to use, they'll send you free samples so that you can kind of look and see what you want, which works for you. So anyway, this is kind of the before of it. What I'm going to do is pan the camera and show you the after, which is on the other side here. So you can see what I did. Here's now the red, here's the blue, here's the red, here's the silver, here's the blue, here's the silver again, and you can see there's no cracks whatsoever. It does a beautiful job of covering the cracks. You cannot tell that the old is underneath whatsoever. This here was actually the original color. Oh boy, the rig is dirty. But anyway, this is what the original color looked like with that pink I was telling you about. Unfortunately, I couldn't do anything with that because I couldn't get the detail on that, so I haven't really figured out what I want to do on that. But anyway, just putting stickers over stickers, just clean it really well, put the stickers on it. Oh my gosh, makes a world of difference. And then if you have a problem where you ever scratch a sticker, they're just so easy to replace, and it doesn't cost you a huge fortune to do, and it's a real simple project. So while I'm on the subject of showing how to update your RV, if you look down here, these are upgraded pieces that you can actually buy for your original lights. The actual bracket here has not been replaced. All I did was replace the lenses, and so what these are is they're LED lights, but what you do is you buy them, and basically they just plug into the original light socket that's behind here. So there's no extra wiring needed. And let me tell you, especially the backing up, these lights make a huge difference when you're backing up your RV. And it really renews the look of your motorhome. Not to mention a tire cover, a new tire cover too. But you know, these are these little things that you can do to your RV to sprucing it up, so that it just looks better and you'd feel better about your RV experience. For more information on replacement vinyl decals, rear LED lights, and a replacement tire cover, we have provided descriptions and links in the comments section below. Once again, thanks for watching. Now go out and enjoy your RV.